My name is Brittney Bearden. I'm a collegiate sports dietitian, and as a sports dietitian, I work with athletes of all ages to help improve their performance with how they eat. We want to start each day by getting breakfast, and then we want to eat every 3 to 4 hours throughout the day to make sure that we're fueling properly so that we can compete at a high level. We always want to get breakfast, and we always want to make sure it has some protein in it to start our day. And if you always are on the go in the mornings for breakfast, you can make overnight oats the night before. And it only has a couple of ingredients, including oatmeal, yogurt, and milk. And then in the morning, you can top with some berries, and then you're on your way out the door. So lunch is going to be the next meal. My plate is a great way to help you build your plate. So we want to make sure that we're having good whole grains, lean proteins, fruits and vegetables, and then dairy as well. So, it can be as simple as a turkey sandwich and an apple and a cold glass of milk. Snacks are a great time for athletes to get in high quality nutrients. So we can do, string cheese with grapes or pretzels, or we can get creative with yogurt and put it in smoothies or use it for dips or spreads for vegetables and fruit. Dairy is a great addition to meals and snacks because it's going to have great high quality protein. Chocolate milk is a great thing to add to any meal, but then especially for post-workout recovery. It's going to be an easy, cost-effective drink, and it also has the 3 things that we want in a recovery drink. It's going to help us repair our muscles, replenish our energy, and help rehydrate. Nutrition is really important for student athletes. Not only will it provide energy for their performance and help their bodies recover, but it can also provide an edge over athletes who don't focus on their nutrition, and it can help them fuel their performance both as an athlete and as a student.